Welcome back to AI Trend Tracker, where we dive into daring experiments. This week, we've embarked on an ultimate quest, posting YouTube Shorts for 7 consecutive days on a fresh channel. Will we hit the jackpot with 10,000 subscribers, or will our efforts vanish into the digital pit? Stick around as we unravel the mystery of our success or failure. Our beginning short raked in 477 views in its first 24 hours. Talk about a strong start. But was this early victory a sign of things to come, or merely a flash in the pan? Day 2 turned our hopes upside down. The second short bombed, mashed a solitary view in 24 hours. What went wrong? Keep watching to uncover the huge mistake that almost sank our channel before it even set sail. In the days that followed, we kept at it, hopeful but cautious. Each upload was a roll of the digital dice. By day 5, our excitement turned to disbelief. 0 views. Yes, you heard that right. Literally none. What could possibly lead to such a drop? We faced not one, but 2 huge challenges. Problem number 1, wrong keywords. This crucial misstep meant our short stopped reaching the feed, halting our momentum in its tracks. And problem number 2? Including too many keywords in the videos themselves, which limited how the algorithm recommended our content to new audiences. Take off on a YouTube journey in 2024 means recognizing that success is a marathon, not a sprint. Winning over the algorithm, our affectionate nickname for the algorithm, requires more than just persistence. It demands strategy, innovation, and adapting to viral trends. But fear not. This experiment has armed us with invaluable insights to share with you. If you're setting out to conquer YouTube's ever-evolving landscape, let our trials and errors light your way. Eager to learn more about skyrocketing your channel's growth? Check out these 2 videos for exclusive tips and tricks on thriving in the YouTube ecosystem. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of the algorithm. If this daring digital diary has sparked your curiosity or inspired you to embark on your own YouTube journey, hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and ring the bell to never miss out on our explorations into the digital frontier. Thank you for joining us in this epic 7-day YouTube Shorts challenge. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries.